Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Phantom Wallet for Solana transactions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Phantom Wallet for Solana transactions, begin by downloading the Phantom Wallet extension from the official website or your browser's extension store. Once the download is complete, install the Phantom Wallet extension by following the on-screen prompts. After installation, you will see the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the Phantom Wallet icon to open it for the first time. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're creating a new wallet, select the Create New Wallet option. Follow the instructions to create a secure password for your wallet. Once your password is set, you will be provided with a recovery phrase. Make sure to write down this recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it grants access to your wallet. After you've noted your recovery phrase, confirm that you have done so. Now, your Phantom Wallet is created and activated. If you are importing an existing wallet, select the Import Wallet option and enter your recovery phrase. After entering your recovery phrase, set a new password for that wallet. Once you complete these steps, your wallet will be ready to use. Next, navigate to the Solana network within the Phantom Wallet. You may need to fund your wallet by transferring Solana tokens. To do this, copy your wallet address and use it to send tokens from an exchange or another wallet. Once your wallet is funded, you can easily make transactions on the Solana network. Explore various decentralized applications to begin utilizing your Phantom Wallet effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.